It's a feeling that all crypto enthusiasts can relate to, missing out on the next big meme coin which will moon overnight. Be it scrolling through Twitter with a post about huge gains or having all your friends talk about it, we've all asked ourselves, why didn't I catch that earlier? But what if you could change that? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Danilo, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be preparing you with strategies to be able to spot the next big meme coin before it explodes. These are the strategies that have come through after years of observation in the crypto space. From using tools like Photon filters to tracking social media sentiment and live data, the actionable steps will help in identifying opportunities early. Many times, meme coins are waved off as simple gambling, but with the right tools and proper mindset, it is possible to use data-driven techniques to make informed decisions. Whether you're new to crypto or simply looking to level up your knowledge, this video is for you. The first thing to understand in spotting meme coins is that their value is driven almost entirely by community hype. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which do stand on a solid technical base, meme coins rise and fall on the back of their social media presence, emotional attachment, and viral appeal. Think of meme coins like social trends in the stock market. They're only as valuable as the community believes them to be. An attempt to quantify community hype is social media sentiment. Tools like Lunar Crush and TweetDeck actually measure how many times a coin is mentioned across Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. But the key isn't just in volume, it's in the sentiment. Whether these conversations are positive or negative plays a huge role in predicting price movements. Take, for example, Shiba Inu. It didn't have any sort of technical edge over the other cryptocurrencies, or in layman's terms, was basically community-based and hyped up using social media. Here's where that sort of demand can come from, though. Early social chatter, such as on the r/cryptocurrency subreddit or Reddit, and buzz on Twitter. You only know a coin is in its early stages of virality when you're tracking these social conversations very early on. Meme coins thrive on the strength of their community. Some meme coins, like Dogecoin, had a characteristically fanatical loyalty that led to huge price spikes. But it's not just raw numbers of mentions or users in these communities, really. It's how dedicated these users are to the coin. A highly engaged, loyal base that talks about a coin daily, shares memes, or even creates fan art can have a tremendous impact on driving market demand. Analyzing community activity goes far beyond mere social mentions. For instance, is the community already discussing the future plans of the project, some current giveaway in progress, or maybe the development of some additional features such as staking pools? These would be good indicators that the community is well invested in its long-term success. The power of influencers in this space cannot be ignored. A single tweet, mention, or shoutout from high-profile figures such as Elon Musk can send a meme coin flying. But you shouldn't really have to rely on the mainstream influencers. There are also other smaller influencers in the crypto space that have their own niche communities that greatly influence others. These micro-influencers can give you early insights before the mainstream media does. Following these niche figures, you may find the latest coins early and be in a better position to take advantage of early growth. While Twitter and Reddit are the key meme coin platforms, making sure to not overlook other social hubs that are developing. TikTok, Discord, and Telegram are major social hubs that played a large role in certain meme coin surges just last year. TikTok really contributed to Dogecoin going to the moon as part of their viral campaign, urging the public to buy the coin that many do not take seriously. By watching trending hashtags or viral challenges, you can stay one step ahead of the next meme coin rally. Geographical tracking of a coin's community base can be yet another strange way to suss out potential. Meme coins make strides in regions like Southeast Asia, home to a strong crypto culture, have the opportunity to explode quicker than those with less active communities in other parts of the world. Sentiment analysis is crucial, though many traders underestimate the extent to which the tools have really been refined. An example would be the Galaxy score by Lunar Crush. It brings together several factors to gauge the sentiment a coin has in social media. This metric does not count mentions, but rather runs some fancy math behind the scenes to predict whether current social trends are likely to have a positive or negative impact on the coin. Take a coin with an increasing Galaxy score, for instance, one that could indicate that it's nearly a critical mass of hype, and that just might be your moment to step in before the wider market does. When you evaluate a meme coin's community, you consider more than just volume and rates of engagement in posting. Look for things such as whether the community is actually partaking in governance decision-making via decentralized platforms. For example, Dogecoin Foundation allowed the community to participate in governance votes, further embedding the user's loyalty. Tools like snapshot.org help in tracking on-chain governance metrics to see how involved a community is in the development of a project. The more interested and involved a community is in the future of the project, the better long-term prospects that coin has. Now, let's talk about one of the best tools for spotting meme coins before they explode, Photon. It is a Solana-based platform that has great insightful filters in order to track emerging trends with meme coins. It is particularly useful for enabling one to cut through all the noise and focus on identifying tokens experiencing real momentum. The important way to use Photon is to key the volume and market cap filters for discovering early-stage meme coins. This is to find coins that have a low market capitalization but are starting to show an increase in the volume of trade. A low market cap shows a room for growth, while an increasing volume shows early adopters are taking a look. Here's a breakdown to help. Low volume, low market cap. The coin might be too early. There just isn't enough momentum yet. Then there's high volume, low market cap. Therein lies the real opportunity. Momentum is building, but prices are not quite there yet. And finally, there's high volume and high market cap. This is probably the coin that already has got its large price pump, and to a big extent, that makes it a riskier play. Meme coins rely on this sweet spot in which volume is increasing, but market cap is still low because, unlike traditional assets, their prices can skyrocket in short spurts of time. This gives you the opportunity to get in early before the general market catches on by tracking coins in this phase. Photon tracks more than just the volume and market cap. It also monitors social media engagement with its at least one social filter. In the world of meme coins, attention equals value. A meme coin that's not getting any buzz is unlikely to see a price surge no matter its technical merits. But if you catch a token that is getting some traction on social media, be it Reddit, Twitter, or even YouTube, alongside rising volume, then you may very well have a coin with explosive potential. There's also the filter for audit results. As we all know, meme coins are high-risk investments and rug pulls are the ordinary order of the day. Projects going through audits from reputable third parties are less likely to exit scam. Even though an audit does not remove all the risks, it does provide some peace of mind in realizing that the token is not an outright scam. By using the filter for Photon's audited platform, one can be protected from potentially dangerous investments and focus on those tokens that at least present with some degree of credibility. When using Photon's filters, you should not only concentrate on low market caps and high volume, but also study the velocity of the volume increase. Generally, it's safe to say that gradual volume increases over a few days indicate better signals than quick spikes, which more often than not turn out to be indicators of pump and dump schemes. Slow rises indicate organic growth and community trust. With these trends plotted out using advanced Photon metrics, you can spot when a meme coin starts getting consistent attention, even if it's still under the radar. But go further. Analyze what exchanges these meme coins are trading on. If you spot a coin that is starting to trend on decentralized exchanges, but has not yet been listed on larger centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase, then this can be a huge opportunity. More often than not, coins see massive price jumps when that transition happens, just due to increased visibility and credibility. Photon can help you pick out high potential tokens, but for one more layer of confirmation, pair it with whale watching tools. Whale Alert, for instance, follows large transactions from significant holders. If you see whales making moves into the same meme coins that are showing momentum on Photon, that is a screaming buy signal. This combination of growing trading volumes, low market cap, and whale activity is the trifecta in finding coins before they explode. Now, Photon's great, but that's not a tool you want to rely on alone. One of the greatest platforms for real-time data analysis is DexScreener. It lets you track meme coins across a lot of different DEXs in real time, which is important if you're going to find that coin before it goes big. One of the most important features of DexScreener is the capacity to track volume spikes. A sudden increase in trading volume may indicate that something big is going on behind the scenes. Most of the time, a volume spike signals that early investors are putting in money before the general public can get their hands on it. This may be your chance to move into the market before the price takes off. But it's also important to look at the liquidity of the coin. High volume doesn't necessarily mean there's liquidity. Low liquidity means that the coin can have high volume, but at the same final time of the sale, find it hard to sell the coin at an increased price, hands getting left holding the bag. DexScreener allows you to compare liquidity in multiple pools, so you never get stuck with an illiquid asset. Alongside these, we must also delve into social sentiment. Social media sentiment can be gauged with the help of tools such as Lunar Crush and Twitter Advanced Search to understand how the market feels about a token at any given time. It's not just checking out the mentions, but also finding out whether the sentiment is positive, neutral, or negative. A token that's beginning to pick up some good momentum online with a growing trading volume might get set to run. How about discussing whales? In crypto, the big holders of a certain token, their buying behavior could strongly affect the market. You'll be able to monitor using tools such as Whale Alert when large holders start accumulating a meme coin. If you see the whales entering the market early, that will be a good indicator that the token will soon see some price surge. Tracking the activity of whales can also help in identifying promising meme coins at an early stage before it becomes apparent to the general public. Volume spikes are critical, but not in isolation. One such metric is the buy to sell ratio. A coin that shows a massive volume spike, but with most of the trades as sell orders, could mean a pump and dump. Tools like DexScreener or TradingView will let you track if the buying pressure surpasses the selling pressure. Look out for coins where the buy to sell ratios are positive and the volumes are increasing. This may suggest accumulation by traders and is often a precursor to a price surge. As the trend continues, there have begun an inclusion of NFTs in some meme coins. That further adds to functionality and could be the key propeller for driving the price upwards. For example, meme coins where holders are allowed to stake their tokens in pursuit of exclusive NFTs simply create a loop of scarcity and demand that drives the token values up high. Watching out for such developments is going to give you an edge in finding out what the next meme coin is. Hype with actual use cases. Though meme coins usually start out as speculative, some of them eventually evolve into projects with real utility and long-term potential. The following is how you can evaluate if a meme coin will stand the test of time. Is one of the first things to evaluate the project's roadmap. Do they have set solid plans for the future? Are they working on expansion of partnerships, launch of new features, or growth of an ecosystem around the project? A well thought out and through roadmap may be indicative that the project has vision over the long term and is not just another flash in the pan meme coin. Another key indicator of longevity is whether a token offers utility beyond speculation. Other meme coins like Shiba Inu have created ecosystems that stretch beyond staking and NFTs to include fully decentralized exchanges. With such an added layer of utility to these memes, the price of such tokens gets propped up in a way that has sustainability long after the initial hype dies off. A meme coin with genuine use cases will most likely survive and thrive in the long run. Finally, watch for community-driven innovation. Even if the original developers step away, a passionate and engaged community can continue building and improving the project. Communities that develop additional tools, integrations, or features around a token keep it relevant in all market conditions. Credibility and experience in a meme coin of a development team are two of the most crucial factors that usually fall out. The great majority of meme coins have been launched by anonymous teams, so the risks of scams and rug pulling are way greater. However, if a team has a verifiable history, especially with successful projects in the blockchain space in the past, the trust factor increases. Some meme coins may start as jokes but later evolve into full-fledged ecosystems. For example, Shiba Inu launched with no utility whatsoever, yet over time its developers launched ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange allowing the swapping and staking of tokens within its ecosystem. Now, when a meme coin starts releasing extra products, possibly staking mechanisms or even decentralized finance solutions, this means it might just stand the test of time. Track projects that promise DeFi integrations, staking rewards, or NFT markets to differentiate between short-lived hype and sustainable growth. Here is how you would identify the next huge meme coin before it blows up. From tracking community hype and influencer activity to using tools like Photon and DexScreener, you now have the toolkit that can help you pick out high potential meme coins in their nascency. Again, these are incredibly volatile assets of investment. In as much as they offer opportunities for gaining huge earnings, the risks involved are great. Before I go, I'd love to hear from you. Are there any concepts or projects you want me to cover in the next crypto video? Let me know down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more crypto content. Thanks for watching.